This is an easy volume area mensuration question appeared as a 3-mark question in 2016 CBSE Class 10 board examination. Let's quickly read the question and then solve it. A conical vessel with base radius 5 centimeters and height 24 centimeters is full of water. This water is emptied into a cylindrical vessel of base radius 10 centimeters. Conical vessel has water, it's emptied into a cylindrical vessel. What we need to find out is the height to which water will rise in the cylindrical vessel. Use pi is equal to 22/7. Solving this question entails one concept, which is the volume of water in the conical vessel is equal to the volume of water emptied into the cylindrical vessel. We need two information or two formulae. One, how do we compute the volume of the cone? So formula for volume of the cone, which is equal to 1/3 pi r squared h. Volume of a cone is 1/3 pi r squared h, where r is the base radius and h is the height. For the cylinder, the volume is equal to pi r squared h, where r is the base radius and h is the height. So if we know these two formula, which we would know by now, we can solve this question easily. Let's find out the volume of water or volume of the cone. Volume of the cone is equal to 1/3 pi r squared h. What is the radius? Radius is equal to 5. What is the height? Height is equal to 24. So 1/3 into pi into 5 square into 24. This is the volume of water in the cone. Let's call this as equation 1. Part 2, we'll find out the volume of water emptied into the cylinder. For that, we need to know the height to which the water has risen in this cylindrical vessel. Let's assign a variable for it. Let's call that h centimeters. This is what we are trying to find out. Because the question is saying, find the height to which the water has risen. So volume of water that has risen will be equal to the volume of the shape which holds it, which is a cylindrical shape. So it's pi r squared h, where r is the base radius and h is the height to which water has risen. The base radius is equal to 10 centimeters. So it's pi into 10 square into h. Volume of water in the cone is the volume of water that's emptied into the cylinder. So let's equate expressions 1 and 2. So that leaves us with 1/3 pi into 5 square into 24 is equal to pi into the 10 base radius. I've written it as a 5 into 2 whole square into h. Pi gets cancelled with pi. 5 square will get cancelled with the 5 square here. So what we'll have is 1/3 into 24 is equal to a 2 square is a 4 into h. Divide both sides by 4. So we'll get a 6 on the left hand side for the 24 divided by 4. 6/3 is a 2, or the height to which water is risen is equal to 2 centimeters.